In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to split payment on Klarna. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you sign up to use Klarna, you will be able to choose from a variety of payment plans in order to split your payments. First, when you open up the mobile app, you can browse through any available stores and choose the products that you want to split the payment for. So for example, I'm gonna go on DHgate, and if I select the Pay with Klarna option, I'll be able to set up a Klarna digital card that I can use to make purchases on DHgate. You can do the same process that I'm doing here on any other store, retailer, or website available inside of Klarna. When you are done setting up your card, you will get the options to split your payment. As you can see, the usual options that they have are 4 bi-weekly payments or 6 monthly payments. These are the main options that Klarna offers, and as long as you select any of these payment plans, you will be able to set up your Klarna card after you input your contact information and your own card details to use Klarna. You might also see this option that I've highlighted here depending on the store or retailer that you are making a purchase on, pay in 3 or financing. You can also choose that option if it is available, but for the most part, Klarna offers on these 2 payment plans, either 4 bi-weekly payments or 6 monthly payments. Regardless of which one you choose, you will be able to set up a Klarna digital card that you can use on any store available inside of the app. You can also go over to the Wallet tab and set up a payment card from here. The process is exactly the same. You have to choose an available retailer or store, and you can use their payment calculator in here to choose the appropriate payment plan and a best method to pay the specific amount that you input here. As long as you are satisfied with the payment plans, you can choose them and set up a card in order to split your payments inside of Klarna. Make sure to do this process through the latest version of the app in order to find official deals and stores that accept Klarna and manage your payments inside of your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to split payment on Klarna. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.